Bitcoin.com is being sued by Jack Dorsey's block for trademark infringement. Welcome to CryptoLink channel. If you love getting news and updates about cryptocurrency, join our community by subscribing to our channel. You can tap the bell icon to never miss our new videos. If you enjoy our channel, kindly like and share it with your friends. November 29, 2022. Cointelegraph tweeted. More drama for the bear market as Jack Dorsey's block pursues a lawsuit against Bitcoin.com. How is this all going to play out? Block Incorporated, a provider of digital payments, is filing a lawsuit against Roger Ver's Bitcoin.com for claimed trademark infringement using its recently released Verse token, which finished a private sale of $33.6 million in May 2022. Block's lawyers asserted in a letter to Bitcoin.com's CEO Dennis Jarvis and Joseph Kalment, the firm's legal counsel, that the use of Verse by Bitcoin.com represented trademark infringement against the German trademark law. The letter, dated August 10, 2022, was a response to a notification from Block's lawyers, Bird & Bird, dated July 4, 2022, in which they first described their trademark infringement claim in Germany. The letter was delivered to Cointelegraph by an individual with information about the situation. The decentralized global payments S.L. and Verse Technologies Incorporated were both acquired by Block, which is why the claimed trademark infringement is occurring. In 2020, a peer-to-peer payment software by the name of Verse was also part of the Verse and decentralized portfolio. This app has been run by our customer since the takeover, the letter stated. The Verse app is accessible across Europe, particularly Germany, and can be used on both Android and Apple devices, according to Block's legal counsel. Block's rights to a figurative mark that includes the term Verse and the V-E-R-S-E wordmark were outlined in the letter, with priority given to computer and application programs for mobile devices. The note indicated that, according to German trademark law, the use of the term Verse infringes upon the rights of our client. As a result, our client has lawsuits against you to stop engaging in the infringing act. Our client also has claims for information on the extent of the infringement, and also claims for payment for any damages they have already experienced or may eventually incur due to the infringement. Last but not least, our client is entitled to compensation for the expenses we spent in relation with this letter. By August 17, 2022, Bitcoin.com must sign a statement of discontinuance and undertaking, according to the legal counsel for Block, or else additional legal action would be taken. Furthermore, it demanded that Bitcoin.com stop and desist its Verse token activities in the EU or risk a contractual fine of $10,400 or €10,000 for each violation. Block also asked to have his $3,906.54 or €3,744.50 in legal fees reimbursed. Roger Ver, an early Bitcoin investor who held the position of CEO until August 1, 2019, owns Bitcoin.com. A virtual currency exchange and wallet are run by Bitcoin.com, which also offers daily news on the Bitcoin industry. Many people in the cryptocurrency industry are familiar with Ver for his passionate advocacy of Bitcoin Cash, which split off from Bitcoin's original network in 2017 over philosophical differences on scalability and transactional speed. However, according to BCH's supporters, it is more in line with the goals outlined for Bitcoin in 2008 white paper of Satoshi Nakamoto. Jack Dorsey founded Block in 2009, which changed its name from Square to Block in December 2021 since such emphasis turned to Bitcoin and blockchain technologies. Since leaving his position as CEO of Twitter in November 2021, Dorsey has shifted his attention more and more toward Bitcoin hardware and payment systems. Over the years, Dorsey and Ver have had personal disagreements, like in 2019 when Ver claimed that Dorsey supported Lightning Network due of his alleged relationship with Elizabeth Stark, CEO of Lightning Labs. According to some, these private matters are the reason Twitter never validated Dorsey's handle for Bitcoin.com while he was CEO. Roger Ver tweeted, "My theory for why Jack is so irrationally hot for #Lightning Network is because he has had a romantic relationship with Ed Starkness, the CEO of Lightning. On the Twitter page of Bitcoin.com, the Verse token at the center of the legal controversy is publicly advertised. Verse is a cross-chain token that aims to integrate into Ethereum virtual machine or EVM networks with low transaction fees, according to its developers. 210 billion tokens, which be allocated over a 7-year period, are the fixed supply. It raised $33.6 million in a private sale that was completed in May. On the same day, November 29, 2022. Another tweet from Cointelegraph indicated, Israel's chief economist Shira Greenberg has published a 109-page report with recommendations aimed at further regulating the country's digital assets industry. In order to securely increase crypto usage, Israel's chief economist has provided lawmakers with a list of proposals for how to approach the nation's laws governing digital assets. Chief economist at the Ministry of Finance Shira Greenberg called for a more thorough regulatory framework in a 109-page report delivered to the Minister of Finance on November 28. This framework would carry trading platforms and virtual currencies issuers into line and therefore would expand the authority granted to its financial regulators. Israel could strengthen investor safety and predictability, according to Greenberg, by requiring cryptocurrency issuers and trading platforms to get stricter licenses and by guaranteeing that funds derived from digital assets are kept more securely. She suggested that the licensing regulations be given more authority by the financial service provider's supervisor and that a more detailed taxation structure be developed for the purchase and sale of digital assets. Greenberg also advocated for the Israel Securities Authority to be granted more authority, declaring that this would allow the ISA to better determine whether a given digital asset is addressed by Israeli securities laws and keep track of the activities of payment service providers operating in the cryptocurrency market. Greenberg mentioned the necessity for particular stablecoin issuer licensing and supervision requirements related to law, as well as the need to construct an interministerial committee to look into and manage blockchain-based, decentralized autonomous entities. Despite Israel being frequently described as a tech-savvy country, the nation hasn't yet demonstrated a strong interest in cryptocurrencies, placing 111th out of 146 nations in a recent global cryptocurrency adoption index done by blockchain analytics company, Chainalysis. Additionally, according to data cited by Greenberg in her research, Israeli citizens have been involved in a total of 21 million blockchain-based operations, which amounts to just 0.04% of all cryptocurrency transactions conducted globally. Only 2% of Israelis claim to own or use a cryptocurrency wallet. That's it for our today's video. So, what can you say about the news? Let us know about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for tuning in to CryptoLink. We are always excited to provide you with news and updates about cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please click the like button. See you on the next one.